Top career paths after B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering. A career after B.Tech in Aerospace Engineering offers a wide array of opportunities in diverse sectors, ranging from aviation and space exploration to defense and research. Here's an overview of potential career paths and roles. Number 1. Core aerospace roles. Design, test, and develop aircraft and spacecraft as an aeronautical or astronautical engineer, or ensure safety as an aircraft maintenance engineer. Number 2. Research and development, R&D. Contribute to advancements in aviation and space exploration with roles in organizations like ISRO, NASA, and private aerospace firms. Number 3. Defense and government sector. Work on military aircraft, drones, and missile systems with defense organizations like DRDO, HAL, or Air Force technical branches. Number 4. Commercial aviation. Manage aircraft design, maintenance, and safety audits for airlines and aviation companies to ensure efficient air travel. Number 5. Space exploration and satellites. Design satellites, launch vehicles, and space exploration systems with agencies like ISRO, NASA, or private space companies. Number 6. Emerging fields. Explore innovative fields like drone technology, sustainable aviation, and space tourism to contribute to cutting-edge developments. Number 7. Academics and higher studies. Pursue advanced studies or become a professor or researcher, contributing to innovation and knowledge in aerospace engineering. Number 8. Multidisciplinary roles. Take up roles in data analysis, simulation, or software development to support aerospace projects and improve efficiency. Number 9. Entrepreneurship. Start a business in aerospace manufacturing, drone technology, or aviation services to drive innovation and meet industry demands. Number 10. Opportunities abroad. Join global aerospace leaders like Boeing, Airbus, or Lockheed Martin for advanced career opportunities in top aerospace industries. For more details, call us on +91 8800 663006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.